Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is on a new awning I bought, but the first part for the first few minutes is on I had to remove the older straight out bent awning. It's bent when I hit a tree, and I had to repair the rack and straighten that up before I could put the new awning on. But yeah, I got a video on it, and I took a shot from the drone as well when I was out camping, so it's on this video. So I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten this bar here up. There, it's bent. I hit a tree with a pole on the other side, and I'm going to take this off. I'll just close that up. You can see the bit of a bend in it in the end. And that's where it's bent there, and it's bent here, so it's up there and there. So I'm going to take this off, and I've ordered another one. I've ordered a 180 degree awning, and that's going to be arriving in the middle of next week, I hope, or the end of the week, and I'll be putting that up there instead. Yeah, I got 4 new bolts to go down up there. I only need 2 of them, so I kept 2 for spare, and I got some galvanised lock nuts to go along the top as well. So that's what I'm doing now. Already got that awning off. It took me 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes to get it off. Only 4 bolt nuts to take off. Well, yeah, you can see the bend in that one, the bend in that one. That one's got a bend in it, but not a lot. And sure, I could have straightened them out, but that weakens them, so why not just replace them? Spend a bit of time and putting some new ones on. I'm going to put new lock nuts on. Galvanised lock nuts. I could reuse the old lock nuts too, but as I said, why go to half measures when you can do it better? And that's why things fail on the bush, because people just cut corners. So yeah, that's it up there at the moment. Nice and straight now. It's not just sitting there at the moment. Sitting there up there at the moment until I get up there and bolt it down. Yeah, it's straight now, so it gives me a new surface to mount the my new 180 degree awning on when I get it. Hope it'll just go onto the same holes up here. But yeah, all ready to go. Okay, that's it. I'm just coming from work and I picked it up at lunchtime and I brought it home. That is my new awning. Well, the awning's up. I haven't opened it yet. Motop Awning. I'll give it a go, see what it's like. Yeah, I could have used the brackets it came with, but yeah, I got 3 stainless steel bolts. I had to buy longer bolts to get them in, re-drill the holes in this bracket here, but 3 stainless steel bolts, 8mm, and it shouldn't go anywhere. Should be well above my head. So anyway, I'm going to open it up later, have a look. It come with a box of goodies. It came with a whole heap of bolts and 2 brackets. The brackets are designed to go onto the Motop rooftop tent, and then you put the awning on top of that. But and that's what the bolts are designed for too. Whole heap of stainless steel bolts and lock nuts, but they're just a bit short, so I went and bought 8mm by M8 by 35mm, 6 in a box. I got 2 boxes, some spares. So I know, sure as eggs, as I drop one and I can't find it, I have to go out back and get another one. So that's up with them. Yeah, I've just got to put it up and test it. That's the awning on the car. I got it in about the middle. I didn't measure it. I can fine tune it later, but it's about where I want it. I might just set it up. Okay, I'm going to try and set it up for the first time. Probably a bit slower. There is a bit of wind around. Nice big straps on them. Oh. Extra legs. Extra legs and ropes and feet. Well, it should only take seconds to set up once all the ropes are on and sorted out. So yeah, we have a pouch to put a power bank, plug it into a USB for the light. This is the drop down. I'll just slide that along. Here's where I'd have it. Put all your cooking stuff in that. Little thing to go up to stop the rain from coming down, like there. You can just set that up to stop the rain. There's another one on this side as well. Yeah, you just push them up and it keeps the rain so it doesn't stay there. I'm going to put them back down again. Put down. Nice and thick. And these are the legs. One-handed. Just undo the velcros. Drop down this leg. You can do it one-handed. So there's extra padding up here for this pop-up top. And these are extra poles to go into the up here. You put them in there and you have poles on the end to keep it up. Yeah, so there's two poles in there. Yeah, I just put the extra poles in. Easy, just push them in and drop them down, squeeze them in. Just quick release, up and down, quick release. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Anyway, quick release straps. As I said, you put in a little power bank and there's a light up in here. That's the light strip there. And then to stop the rain, you operate these things up there like that. Push that up and keeps the rain off. I don't think any others on the market have that. So that's what it looks like. And then the ropes can be tied down up here. Yeah, you could use the rope to tie it down and back if there's a strong wind, but it is a freestanding awning. Shouldn't have to have it unless there's a bit of a wind blowing. I'm really happy with that. Motop 180-degree awning, 8.8 meters of coverage. I think the Darcy one was only 6.6. Good quality awning. Yeah, I'm happy with it. $900, $8.99. Quick and easy to put up and down. Well, it takes me a while to put it up and down, but it should only really take a minute. I'm going to have to watch a video how to do it and pack it away. This is only the very first time I've ever used a 180-degree awning, and I'm happy with it. And yeah, so hoping to go camping in a few days. So that's why I wanted to try it before I went. So anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.